Okay, let's see how that works. Talking to the computer. No, talking to the iPhone. Hello, welcome to the littleGasthaus. My name is Peter, and I'm the idiot who doesn't know what to say. Well, it's hard to do free talking if it's not your mother language, and it's much easier to interact with the real person than doing that on the phone. But I can do it, I know. You have to learn things like that. Might take a while, but we'll get there. So I guess I have to talk to myself. I'm in selfie mode, so I see what I'm doing, even if I don't want to. Okay. Always, it is always, let's say that, it's always a challenge to try new things. Because I don't want to cut too much from the video. It takes a lot of time to get all these pieces of nothing out of the video, and that takes just too much time, so I'm not going to do that. Okay, you know, I brought my wife to her destination 3 days ago. Yeah, she likes it there. There's more good weather, more sun than this year. Just brought the lady to the ferry, takes her to the island where she got her recovery treatments. So that will be 3 weeks. I have to take care of myself, of everything. But let me show you the northern part of Germany. And this road is the only one going in, and I have to take the same way back out. So not too many roads down here. A lot of water, a lot of birds. North Sea. Nasty weather. It's fine rain, and I don't like it. Ready for Spain. And this was a 5.5 hour drive up here, so that wasn't fun. We started at 4 in the morning. Now it's 9 o'clock. I'm on the way back now. Okay. A lot of wind there, but well, yeah, even on an island. What do you expect? Front porch, and actually the leaves are falling just in front of the house. So it's not the best time to go for vacation up to the islands. Okay, this afternoon I'm going to town and see what deal I can get for my tires I need 6 of them, and it seems to the labor to put the wheels on, it's the same price than 2 wheels, and that's I think it's not right, but I cannot do it myself, so I guess I have to pay. So it looks like stopped raining. It rained the last 3 days, and I'm not very inviting. Hating it. I hate it. So I'm ready for Spain. It's a lot warmer than here. So, and sun every day. It's like California, I would say. Yeah, the tires. Lucky I don't have to fix anything. I have to clean the camper, or I have to clean the motorhome, put everything back into place. My wife already bought a whole bunch of stuff for the kitchen, food and coffee and everything. So that's what you can get down there. I mean, there's coffee, but it's not our brand. So they only got a few different styles of coffee, strong and less strong. But yeah, if you can get anything else. Last year we had that coffee because our coffee maker broke on the way. The glass can. How you say that? Glass. Whatsoever. It dropped on the floor and bang. So we couldn't make any coffee. One of the neighbors, a Dutch couple, they had a spare filter holder, and so we just poured the water, the cooking water, into the filter with the coffee. That worked. I mean, can't do it without coffee, so I mean, I couldn't do it without coffee. I like coffee. Most. But, okay, what else? I have to get everything together for the barbecue box. I did yesterday while it was raining, but I have to shorten the boards to fit to the rest. Okay, I don't know what to tell you else. Thank you for watching. I mean, it's kind of hard to have a conversation with yourself, just talking. But like I said before, I'm willing to learn. English is not my mother language, so I have to translate sentences on the go from German to English, and sometimes it's hard to find the right words for third things. Okay, well, I see you next week. Thanks for watching again. See you. Bye-bye.